Man, I'm Jusko from ProudMoney.com. In this video, we are going to review the TJX Rewards credit card, which is the credit card of TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Sierra, HomeGoods, and also HomeSense. You can earn rewards and redeem rewards across all of these stores within the TJX family. The TJ Maxx credit card is a no annual fee credit card issued in partnership with Synchrony Bank. In terms of rewards, you're going to earn 5 points per dollar on your purchases at TJX stores. So again, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Sierra, which used to be Sierra Trading Post, HomeGoods, and HomeSense. So 5 points per dollar on purchases across any of those stores. If you qualify for the TJX MasterCard, you also would earn 1 point per dollar on purchases that you make outside of the TJX family of stores. Really not a good reason to use this card outside of TJ Maxx and the other stores. So even if you qualify for the MasterCard, it's certainly not something that I would suggest that you do. But if you do, you would earn 1 point per dollar on those purchases. What you're going to earn with those points are reward certificates that you can use toward future purchases at TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Sierra, HomeGoods, and HomeSense. So every 1,000 points you earn, you're automatically going to get a $10 certificate that you can use either online or in store. If you use the certificate online or through the TJX app or one of the apps of these different stores, well then you could have that available to you within 48 hours after earning it. Otherwise, you're going to get your certificate with your bill, whether that is a paper bill that comes to your house or the electronic bill that you get each month. The certificates that you earn are going to expire 2 years after they actually are issued. So that is a good thing, because with a lot of retail store cards, they might issue you a reward certificate and you're only going to get 60 days or 6 weeks or something like that to actually redeem it. So with the TJX reward certificates, you're getting a good long time to use them, and you can use multiple ones on a purchase. In addition to the rewards that you will earn with the TJ Maxx credit card, you as a new cardholder will get 10% off your first purchase with the credit card, which could come as soon as today if you were to apply and be approved instantly, which many people would be. So you're going to get that 10% off your first purchase. You're also going to get cardholder offers throughout the year, special discounts, maybe special events, all that kind of stuff that the non-card holders are not going to get. Let's talk about the application and approval process. When you first apply, you are going to be considered for the TJX MasterCard, which is good at the TJX stores as well as anywhere else that MasterCard is accepted. If you are not approved for that card, you would still be considered for the TJX store card that you could use at TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and the other stores. In terms of the credit score you're going to need for these cards, probably to qualify for the MasterCard, you're looking at about a 650 credit score. If you are in the 625 to 649 range, you'd probably still be approved for the store card. Below 625, your chances are going to be much less of being approved for either of the cards. But like I said, getting the store card and not being approved for the MasterCard, not necessarily a big deal, because this is not a card that I would suggest using outside of the TJX stores, because of the fact that you're only going to earn 1 point per dollar and it's only going to be good toward future purchases at the TJX stores. So if you had another credit card that was giving you more than 1% on all of your purchases, well then obviously that would be better to use outside of TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and the others. And then finally note, as I make this video, there's an interest rate on the TJX credit cards, whether it's the MasterCard or the store credit card, of 31.99%. So interest rates have gone beyond the 20s, and now we are talking about in the 30s. So if you ever carry a balance on this card, you're going to be paying interest at a ridiculously high rate. So this is a credit card that you only want to be using if you know you're going to pay it off in full every time when you make a purchase with it. So that is really it. If you're someone that shops a lot at TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and the other stores, well, it's kind of a no-brainer to get this card. You're going to get 5 points per dollar, which is going to be a 5% reward toward future purchases at these stores. And assuming you are going to be going back to these stores on the regular, well then that makes perfect sense to do, as long as you are not going to carry a balance. Like I just said, you don't want to pay interest, which essentially will negate the rewards that you would earn from this card. Again, not really any good reason to use this card outside of the TJX stores, even if you qualified for that MasterCard, because there are so many other better cards out there on the market that you could use for your purchases outside of these stores. So that's really it. Questions, comments, would love to hear them in that comment section below. Otherwise, I thank you for watching. And as always, please go to proudmoney.com, where we do credit card reviews. We talk personal finance, we talk deals, and all sorts of other fun stuff too. If you're not going to leave a comment or go to the website, you might want to watch next this video.